on, spin around, buddy. Ceiling fan on the roof goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Ceiling fan on the ceiling goes round and round. Good boy. Do that some more. Just dance around. Beg. Get up. Come on. Up, up. Look. Come on. Up, up. I knew that was coming.
It's like TV, but it's like he's watching Sports Center or something.
Sports Center.
No, get out of the way. No.
Oh, that's weird. You see that? It went the other way.
Oh my gosh.
It stopped and it turned the other way.
His leg was shaking for a second. He was like freaking out.
Get it. Get it. Sparky, my heart is up there. Easy, easy, easy. It's okay. It's okay.
Shh. Whoa, Sparky's so loud you can hear it.
Shh. Stop. Stop.
You hear it shaking like glass or something, making a noise. That's awesome.
It's like you don't understand the seriousness of this situation. They're coming for you too. Don't have a heart attack, please.
That would be a bad ending.
That would.